First exercise, knee touch crunch. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Exhale, crunch up, bringing hands towards knees. Touch lightly or keep a slight hover. Inhale, lower back down with control. Focus on engaging your abs, not pulling with your neck. Take 20 seconds rest. Second exercise, one leg bridge. Be in plank position, legs straight. Lift one leg straight up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower back down with control. Repeat with the other leg. Take 20 seconds rest. Third exercise, flutter kicks. Lie on your back, legs straight, lift them slightly off the ground. Quickly alternate kicking your legs up and down in small motions. Keep your core engaged and avoid using momentum. Take 20 second rest. Both exercise. Front plank with twist. Start in a high plank position on your toes, forearms flat. Rotate your hips and torso to bring one elbow towards the ceiling. Keep your core tight and back flat. Return to plank and repeat on the other side. Take 5th exercise, front plank with twist. Second rest. Sit. Next exercise, lying elbow to knee. Lie on your back, knees bent, one leg over the other. Bring one elbow towards the opposite knee, squeezing your abs. Repeat with the other side. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground throughout the movement. Seventh exercise, lying elbow to knee. Take 20 second rest. Eighth exercise, pulse up. Lie on your back, legs straight, lift them off the ground. Repeat this small pulsing motion up and down. Ninth exercise, Russian twist. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat. Lean back slightly with your core engaged, feet flat. Twist your torso side to side, keeping your hands on your chest. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. Take 20-second rest. Tenth exercise, lying tuck up. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Exhale and crunch up, bringing your knees towards your chest and reaching for your shins. Inhale, lower back down with control. Focus on using abs to pull your knees in, not using momentum. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. Good luck.